ZK1001B Mono 100W BLUETOOTH Audio Power Amplifier Board. The power amplifier chip of this module is TPA31162. The Bluetooth version is version 5.1. The Bluetooth transmission distance is 15 meters. Its audio input methods include Bluetooth, AUX, UDisc and USB sound card, etc. Audio output is mono. Adaptive source from 7 volts to 24 volts. Adaptable speaker, 20 watts to 100 watts, 3 to 8 ohms. The instructions for use are shown in the picture. Module 7-volt power supply. The functions of volume button click, double click, 3-click, long press, and rotation are as above. This experiment uses modules to play Bluetooth music. Use your mobile phone to play music through the Bluetooth connection module. Module usage demo. Connect power. Access speaker. Next, use your mobile phone to connect to the Bluetooth of the module. Select Connect with audio. Open the music software to play music. Click to pause the music. Click to play music. Double click to play the next song. Play the next song manually. Rotate the knob to adjust the volume. Three clicks, hidden to enter TWS mode, red light flashes. Long press to shut down. This module demo ends.